Hello, good morning, everyone. As you all know, my name is Sakshi, and I am going to teach you some words which is related to our life because I think we all are Generation Z here. You all know about Generation Z? So, can you tell me?
Person born in 1997 to 2012, they are called.
Yeah, as you said that who is born in 1997. No, the person who is born after 1997 and in between 2012. So that period of time is called Generation Z. So the person who is born between this period of time, they are called Gen Zs. So we all are Gen Zs here, and we have to interact on social media. We have to use social media. So these are some words, Generation Z words, which we have to use in our daily life. And if we are not aware of this, I think we have to face many of trolling, or many person make fun of our knowledge, like you don't know the words. These are very famous nowadays. So these are some words which I am going to teach you today. So if you want, then you can write it in your copy. First word is FOMO. This is called FOMO. You don't have to read this like FOMO. You have to read it FOMO. So the meaning of FOMO, abbreviation of sorry, the long form of FOMO is fear of fear of missing out. Like you are in a room and no one is noticing you, and they are ignoring you. Then you feel FOMO, like fear of missing out, like no one is caring about you. So this is fear of missing out, FOMO. Next one is goat. So what is the meaning of literal meaning of goat? Yeah, that is called bakri in Hindi, but here we use it goat for greatest of all time. There is a movie as well. You know, actually, this is the name of movie as well, but the long form of goat is greatest of all time. So the next one is IRL. Do you know about IRL? So we use IRL. It sounds like it is a computer word, like URL. No, but the meaning of IRL is in real life. In real life means, as I said that we are Generation Z, so we are always online. But whenever we have to face people offline, then we say that IRL. Oh, it's IRL, like we interact to someone, like then we can say that we met in IRL, in real life. The next word is IYK. So if you know, then you know. Actually, then is optional here. If you want to write it, then you can write, and if you don't, then if you know, you know. Means अगर तुम जानते हो तो तुम जानते हो. It otherwise it's okay. And the next word is L. We use L for loss. If we have lots of loss, then we say that L. It's a loss. And I think we had completed this all. So the next is OML. Oh my Lord. Like something disgusting happens, then we say that, oh my Lord. Like I think you all are understanding the meaning of Lord. We use it for instead of God as well. The next word is ONG. Like if there is any disgusting situation, like we are facing some trouble in life, then our parents used to say that leave it on God. Generation Z, we said that ONG, like we are on God. The next one is POV. I think this is the mostly used in our life. This is most used word. So, we often use it in our life. POV in on social media, Instagram, or YouTube. So POV is point of view. And the W is like L for loss, W for win. And YOLO, you only live once. This is my favorite word because we all have to live once. So we have to live. I think we should live our life completely. We have to assimilate every situation of our life. So this is my favorite word, YOLO. You only live once. So if you want, then you can write. So how was the session? Is it informative?
Yeah, it is very.
Oh, thank you.